On July 20th, 2018, it was a sunny day with a blue sky and white clouds. We could smell and feel the ocean breeze. We were taking the ferry from Port Casey to Port Townsend, heading to Sequim for the Lavender Festival. Sequim, often called the Lavender Capital, is a charming town in Washington State known for its beautiful lavender fields. Every July, it attracts many visitors for the annual Lavender Festival. This event celebrates the blooming lavender with farm tours, a street fair, arts and crafts, food, and live entertainment. It's a great time for people to enjoy the stunning purple landscapes, learn about lavender farming, and participate in various festive activities. The festival is a highlight of summer in Sequim, offering a delightful experience for all ages. The Sequim Dungeness Valley hosts around 20 lavender farms, each offering unique experiences and products. These farms are part of the Sequim Lavender Trail, providing visitors with opportunities to explore various lavender fields, participate in U-Pick activities, and enjoy lavender-based products like essential oils and lavender-infused treats.
In the evening, we dropped by the campground without a reservation. We excitedly set up our tent and made a delicious dinner. As the night grew cooler, we gathered around the glowing fireplace, feeling its warmth wrap around us, adding to the magic of our unplanned adventure. The next day, we drove to Washington Lavender Farm in Port Angeles, one of our favorite farms. Nestled on a bluff overlooking the Strait of Juan de Fuca, this farm combines stunning views with fragrant fields of lavender. We wandered through rows of vibrant purple blooms, their scent filling the air. The farm also offers a variety of lavender products, from essential oils to culinary treats, making it a perfect blend of natural beauty and sensory delight. It was a serene and picturesque experience, highlighting the charm and tranquility of the area.
There were lots of pretty wildflowers around. We saw a demonstration on how to make lavender ice cream, and then we got to try some ourselves. We made an effort to visit as many lavender farms as we could in Sequim, and each one had its own unique charm. From sprawling fields of lavender to cozy boutique setups, each farm offered a distinct experience. We wandered through rows of fragrant lavender, admiring the vibrant colors and soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. Some farms had demonstrations or workshops where we learned about the cultivation and uses of lavender, while others offered delicious lavender-infused treats to sample. Overall, exploring the various lavender farms in Sequim was a delightful adventure, showcasing the diversity and beauty of this beloved flower. We strolled along the rows of lavender, the sun gently kissing the fields with its warm glow, We were a picturesque sight in our matching purple t-shirts. Hand in hand, we moved through the fragrant rows, the rhythmic hum of bees providing the soundtrack to our tranquil walk. With each step, the lavender swayed gently in the breeze, releasing its soothing scent into the air. The vibrant purple blooms seemed to stretch endlessly before us, creating a mesmerizing carpet of color that stretched towards the horizon. As we walked, we paused to admire the beauty surrounding us, our matching t-shirts blending seamlessly with the sea of lavender around us. It was a moment of quiet bliss, shared between us amidst the natural splendor of the lavender fields.
After exploring the lavender farms, we ventured to Sequim Bay State Park, eager to witness its natural beauty. As the sun began its descent, casting a golden glow across the bay, we were mesmerized by the breathtaking sunset unfolding before our eyes.
On the last day of our trip, we decided to extend our journey home by taking a scenic detour along the highway. Our goal was to squeeze in visits to as many lavender farms as we could before heading back. As we meandered along the winding roads, the landscape transformed into a patchwork of lush greenery and rolling hills. Each farm we passed seemed to beckon us with promises of fragrant blooms and picturesque scenery. With each stop, we were greeted by rows upon rows of lavender, their vibrant hues contrasting against the backdrop of the countryside. We wandered through the fields, marveling at the sight and scent of the delicate flowers swaying in the breeze. At each farm, we were met with warm hospitality and a wealth of information about the cultivation and uses of lavender. We eagerly sampled lavender-infused treats and browsed through quaint gift shops filled with handmade goods. Despite the temptation to linger at each farm, we pressed on, eager to make the most of our time and explore as much as possible. With every new farm we visited, our appreciation for the beauty and versatility of lavender deepened, leaving us with cherished memories of our lavender-filled adventure. After disembarking from the ferry at Port Townsend, we made a stop in Coupeville before heading home through the Deception Pass. Coupeville is a charming waterfront town known for its historic buildings, quaint shops, and stunning views of Penn Cove. As we wandered through its streets, we couldn't resist popping into the local boutiques and enjoying a leisurely meal at one of the cozy cafes. With its small-town charm and scenic beauty, Coupeville provided the perfect ending to our coastal adventure before we continued our journey homeward through the breathtaking landscapes of the Deception Pass.